Start with the formula. Absolute pressure was equal to pressure of the gauge plus pressure of atmosphere. So if I have pressure of the gauge and pressure of atmosphere, I'm done. Hopefully pressure of atmosphere given here straightly. So I just need to write the number here. What about pressure of the gauge? Any formula came to your mind for the pressure of the gauge? The simple form for pressure is, what's the formula? Gamma, what? H, right. So what gamma? Seawater. H is the H. Do you have the gamma of seawater? Yes, I have. Do I have the H? Yes, it says that this is this number here. So find this number and we will add both together. Not sure about my final answer. Let's check that one with me. Here we go. Your number should be this one. But first of all, you will find it in Pascal. Change it to atmosphere to see if you can find this one. Let me find it myself as well. Was that 520 multiplied by us? So yeah, you should have this one based on Pascal or kilopascal, then change the unit to atmosphere and use this one for changing it to atmosphere. Or most of the time you just divide it by 10 power to 5. Very like round number. But for kilopascal, you should have this one if you change it to atmosphere because that's a very huge number. Since it's an ocean and the depth is very high. So both answers are correct. So P0 here is P of atmosphere. We called it 0 because it's a kind of reference to us. And this part is P of the gauge. Any questions? So you have two questions in one. One of them is that you should know P of absolute is P of the gauge plus P of atmosphere. The other one, P of gauge, is equal to gamma H. Next one. True or false? According to Pascal law, if a static fluid is subjected to force at one point, then this force is equally transmitted in all directions. Is it true or false? Why? Because of the Pascal law? That's false. Pay attention to the word. It says force, not pressure. That's different. So do you remember this picture that I showed you? It was pressure, not force. So force is different because you should multiply it by an area. An area could be changed. So it is pressure, not the force, which transmitted equally in all direction based on Pascal law. That's a very small problem as well. The pressure due to 10 centimeter column of glycerin is equivalent to column of water. How much water? It says that the pressure for both should be the same. So first step says that pressure of the water should be equal to the pressure of glycerin. So pressure of water should be equal to pressure of glycerin. And I'm going to open this equation. Gamma of water, H of water should be equal to this pressure. Why I made them equal? Because it says that equivalent. Gamma of glycerin, H of glycerin. I will write everything that I have. Gamma of water, I have it. I know that it's 9,810. H of water, it make it blank. So it means that I need to find it. Glycerin, I have it here, but its density, be careful. So I make 9.8 here. Rho G, which is gamma of glycerin. Multiple by, it says that 10 centimeter. So make it into meter. Now find H of water. Did you find it? What? 0 point what? Yeah, I think it's 12 centimeter. Always check your number by thinking if it makes sense or not. Glycerin is heavier, so less column of that should act equal to higher amount of water. Water is less dense. So for sure, when it says 10 centimeter of glycerin, you need longer column of water. And that's the solution. P is equal to rho GH, which is gamma H. P of glycerin should be equal to P of water. I expand this formula and I keep H of water because I need it in the left hand part, the rest on right. And if I write it, I can say that the pressure due to 10 centimeter of column of glycerin should be equal to 12 centimeter, 12.6 centimeter of water.